Welcome to Tempo. Tempo is the best design tool for design engineers. That means that it feels like a visual design platform, just like Figma, Webflow, or Framer, but under the hood, it edits the code in any production React codebase, just like a traditional IDE, like Windsurf, Cursor, or VS Code. So what makes Tempo different? Well, there are two key things. The first is that Tempo allows you to import your existing production React codebase. So instead of generating code in a silo like traditional vibe coding tools, Tempo gives you the ability to create high-quality code that reuses your existing components in your existing design system. And the second thing is that we give your design team more than just a prompt chat box. Tempo gives designers the ability to control every single pixel by hand, just like you would in a traditional design tool. And with that, let's jump into a live demo, and I'll give you a taste of what's possible in Tempo. So when you first log into Tempo, there's really three ways to get started. The first is to import your existing repo, which you can do by clicking this import from GitHub button, and then selecting your repository, inputting your settings, and going from there. The second is that you can enter a prompt and attach a screenshot, just like any traditional vibe coding tool. And lastly, you can use our Figma plugin. So you can go over to Figma, select a frame, and click Create New Project, and it will translate your Figma design into an initial set of screens in Tempo. For the purpose of this demo, let's vibe code something from scratch. Let's keep it simple. I'm just going to say Airbnb. Now, when you're generating an app from scratch, Tempo starts by creating a PRD for you, which you'll have access to over here in the PRD tab. It'll also draft out a set of user flow diagrams that you can see here in this mermaid diagram in the bottom. And at this stage, it's really planning out your project and trying to get a sense of what it's trying to build. The Tempo agent will start to write all of the code required to implement this application. This could take a few minutes, so let's give it a second. We'll come back once it's complete. All right, so the Tempo agent has completed my Airbnb app. Let's take a look. Looks pretty good. And of course, I could continue prompting the AI and continuing to iterate from here. But where the magic happens is when we enter design mode. So I'm going to click this purple button to exit full screen mode, and boom. Now I'm welcomed by Tempo's infinite canvas, which for any designer will feel very familiar. It's very similar to any traditional design tool. You can access this canvas anytime by clicking on the design tab here in the header. Now, when I'm on this canvas, what I'm looking at is my live running React app that's actually running on a Docker container here in the cloud. We'll talk about code mode in a second, but the beauty of Tempo is you can now edit anything visually. So for example, if I want to make a copy change here, I can say best vacation site of all time. And I can edit this visually, again, just like I would in any traditional design tool. But the beautiful thing about Tempo is that it actually edits the code in the correct spot under the hood. And that code is now ready for me to enter a commit message and push that to GitHub. Let's say we want to add a testimonial section to this website. Of course, I can prompt the AI and ask it to add a testimonial section. But the beauty of Tempo, like I mentioned, is that you don't have to use AI. You can actually design things by hand. So let's head over to reactcomponents.com and let's search for testimonials. Here I can see a bunch of pre-made testimonial components. Let's say I like this one. What I can do now is I can click view code, I can copy, and I can paste this just like I would from any design marketplace. And boom, there's my testimonial section. Now let's say I want to add it into my actual code base. All I need to do is drag and drop, and there you go. I have my testimonial section. Now, of course, the design's a little off. So here, what I can do is I can start to make changes. So I'm going to remove some padding over here. I'm going to get rid of this additional redundant piece of copy. I can take this text, I can make it bold. And maybe I want to just make this whole thing, I want to make everything just a little bit smaller. All right, we still got some padding we got to get rid of. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. And of course I could keep going, but I think you get the idea. You can control and design every single pixel by hand, and it edits your production React code base under the hood. And on top of that, the Tempo workspace is completely collaborative. So I can send this URL to a colleague, and we're able to make changes on the same canvas at the same time. So here I've opened Tempo in a different tab, and I can pull in this beautiful animated tabs component that I've been working on for a little while. I can drag and drop it directly onto the canvas. And when I switch tabs over here, boom, I'm able to access the exact same component that was added by a colleague in a different tab. And so now let's say I want to add this animated tabs component. I can just once again drag and drop it into my header, and boom, now I have a beautiful set of interactive components. Now, in order to actually test these tabs, I have to exit design mode by clicking the interact mode button over here. Now you'll see I'm actually able to interact with my application the way a user would. And when I'm ready to switch back to design mode, I can click the design button right here. Now, the beauty of Tempo is that we've built deeply around React Storybook in order to help you build and maintain design systems and enforce styling consistency over everything you build. If I click on this Assets tab over here, you'll see that I have access to all of the different Storybook stories that exist in my design system. So if I click button, for example, you see I have my 7 button stories, my loading button, my link button, ghost, outline, base, etc. And each of these assets is available to be dragged and dropped. And I can reuse these stories just like I would components in a traditional design tool. So as an example, if I want to add a loading button here, I can just drag and drop my loading button and boom, it's added it directly to my application. It's added it to the code base in the correct spot under the hood. Now, I can also create new stories, not just reuse them. So for example, here you'll notice I don't have a circular icon button in my design system. So if I click on this button and I right click and I click create story and I say circular icon button, you'll see that Tempo will get to work adding a story for this component to my design system. Let's give it a sec here. All right, boom. Now, if I click this little Storybook icon over here, it'll take me to what we call the sub canvas that shows me all of the different stories that exist for my button component. And there you go. Here's my circular icon search button. So if I go back to my home tab and I click on my button component, there you go. Circular icon search. It's right there. And once again, it can be reused wherever I'd like. So here I can just drag and drop and add another circular search button to my design. Now, for every new project you generate in Tempo, we include the Shadcn design system Storybook stories in your project by default. But if you import your repo, any stories that already exist in your code base will be available here automatically. You don't have to do any work. We'll pick up your stories and they'll be available here to be dragged and dropped and reused, just like a traditional design component. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, AI. Tempo is the best AI code gen agent for PMs and designers. Now I know that sounds like a ridiculous statement and everyone says that, but I actually mean it. And the reason is visual context. The beauty of IDE tools like Cursor and Windsurf is that the agent has the precise context of exactly which files are open in the editor. And the agent uses that context in order to drive higher accuracy, precision edits. Now for PMs and designers using IDEs like that, it's hard to figure out which are the right files to open and what type of context to give the agent. In Tempo, giving AI the right context is super easy and super visual. Now if you switch to code mode, what you notice is that for every element you select visually, Tempo jumps straight to the exact line of code where it's implemented in the code base. This is a really useful tool for getting familiar with the code base, first of all, if you're a non-engineer. But second of all, you notice that every element I select gets indicated here in purple to our AI agent. And what that means is that the agent has exactly the context of which element I'm trying to edit, which lines of code are relevant, and which files are relevant. And so therefore, when I give it instructions like do X, Y, Z, the agent is able to be very precise and always edit the correct elements inside the code base. Now, there's so much more I'd love to show you about our AI agent, and I will in a future video. But what I want to call your attention to is that in this model selector, we give you the ability to work with a whole bunch of different AI models, but most importantly, with Claude Code, which you can use by clicking Claude Agent over here. Claude Code is the best coding agent in the industry, and in Tempo, we just give you direct access, and you can use it at any given point for any given AI workflow. Thanks for watching our demo. I hope that this gave you a brief glimpse into what Tempo is all about, and I hope you're interested enough to import your repo and give it a try. Today, thousands of PMs and designers are using Tempo every month to collaborate directly with their engineers on production code. And the cool thing is, because Tempo sits on top of your existing code base, we're seeing that around 60 to 70% of the code that's generated by PMs and designers is being reused by engineers when shipping to production. This workflow completely eliminates traditional design handoff and helps teams move much faster to production. If you're using a vibe coding tool to build prototypes with throwaway code, You gotta make the switch today. You gotta try Tempo. Now, if you're worried about whether or not Tempo can handle your large production code base, trust me, we build Tempo using Tempo, and it's a very large, complex front-end code base. So please, give us a shot. Log into Tempo, connect your existing repo, and get started today. We're super excited to see what you build.